Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of practical magic. Today, we're going to share some powerful tips that will help you unleash the power within and create real-life wonders. So let's dive right in. Tip number 1 is all about visualization. Close your eyes and imagine what you desire. See it clearly in your mind's eye. Feel the emotions, hear the sounds, and smell the scents associated with your desire. Visualization is the key to manifesting your dreams into reality. Moving on to tip number 2, the power of intention. State your desires clearly and concisely. Set your intention and believe wholeheartedly that it will come to fruition. The universe listens to your thoughts and intentions, so make sure to have a positive mindset and send out powerful vibrations. Next up, tip number 3, create a sacred space. Find a place in your home where you can practice your magic undisturbed. Decorate it with meaningful objects, such as crystals, candles, or symbols that resonate with your intentions. This space will serve as your sanctuary, a place to connect with the divine energies. Moving on to tip number 4, the power of words. Choose your words carefully, for they have immense power. Speak affirmations and spells that align with your desires. Make sure to use positive and present tense language. By uttering these words aloud, you empower your intentions and bring them to life. Tip number 5, the power of gratitude. Expressing gratitude amplifies your magical abilities. Take a moment each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. By acknowledging the abundance in your life, you attract even more blessings. And finally, tip number 6, trust the process. Magic is a journey, and it takes time. Trust in the universe's timing and have faith that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Patience and perseverance are key virtues in the practice of magic. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey. We hope these practical tips have inspired you to unleash the power within and manifest real-life wonders. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical magic tips and techniques. Until next time, may your magical journey be filled with joy and abundance.